Let's learn action words. The words that show what someone is doing. Wake. Wake. She is waking up. Brush. Brush. He is brushing his teeth. Wash. Wash. She is washing her hands. Bath. Bath. He is taking a bath. Comb. Comb. She is combing her hair. Dressing. Dressing. He is getting dressed. Eat. Eat. She is eating. Drink. Drink. She is drinking water. Pack. Pack. He is packing his bag. Walk. Walk. He is walking. Study. Study. They are studying. Read. Read. They are reading. Write. Write. He is writing. Play. Play. They are playing. Run. Run. They are running. Share. Share. They are sharing the food. Help. Help. He is helping. Clean. Clean. They are cleaning. Watering. Watering. She is watering the plant. Sit. Sit. He is sitting. Stand. Stand. He is standing. Yawn. Yawn. She is yawning. Dry. Dry. She is drying the clothes. Listen. Listen. She is listening to music. Draw. Draw. He is drawing. Think. Think. She is thinking. Jump. Jump. They are jumping. Throw. Throw. They are throwing. Sweep. Sweep. He is sweeping. Hold. Hold. They are holding. Cook. Cook. They are cooking. Count. Count. He is counting. Build. Build. They are building. Cut. Cut. He is cutting. Paste. Paste. He is pasting leaves. Push. Push. She is pushing. Catch. Catch. He is catching. Kick. Kick. He is kicking the ball. Climb. Climb. She is climbing. Swing. Swing. She is swinging. Dance. Dance. They are dancing. Sleep. Sleep. He is sleeping. Bake. Bake. He is baking a cake. Pull. Pull. She is pulling the bag. Paint. Paint. She is painting. Sing. Sing. They are singing. Drive. Drive. He is driving a car. Ride. Ride. They are riding bicycles. Smile. Smile. She is smiling. Beat. Beat. They are beating the batter.